Trading research often begins the same way. A market opens in front of you. Crypto pairs, forex pairs, prices moving, signals changing. At first, it feels full of possibility. Then it becomes noise. The real question is not which market will win. A better question is which pairs are worth reviewing and why. That is where the SageMaster screener comes in. Think of it as a research map. It does not predict the future. It helps you decide where to look first. Start with community screeners. Each one gives you a ready-made lens for a different kind of market: trend continuation, momentum, reversal, range conditions, price action, and more. Instead of building every rule from scratch, you begin with a structured view. Rows are pairs, columns are signals. Labels and tooltips help translate the data into something you can scan. But the first scan is only the beginning. Open the Playbook. The improved Playbook filters turn each screener into a clearer review process. You can apply one rule at a time or apply the full playbook when you want a stricter shortlist. If the list narrows, that is the point. Fewer pairs, more specific conditions, a better starting point for your own review. Now, choose a pair that looks interesting. Tap Ask AI. Ask AI is now available inside the SageMaster screener for crypto and forex. Use it to review a selected pair, understand which visible signals support the setup, and see what risks or conflicts may need more attention. You can also ask AI to review the whole screener. It can help summarize the current table and identify pairs you may want to examine further, not as a trade instruction, not as a guarantee, as an educational layer on top of the market data already in front of you. Then comes the part that still matters most: validation. Check the chart. Review structure, timing, liquidity, spread, invalidation, and risk. The screener helps you shortlist. Ask AI helps you understand. Your own review decides whether the setup still makes sense. When you are ready to organize the next step, use Start Assist for that pair. Review your preferred settings, compare the available workflow, and use AI-supported analysis to help structure the setup before you proceed. That is the new loop. Choose a community screener. Tighten the view with Playbook filters. Ask AI to explain the data. Validate on the chart. Start Assist only when your own risk review is complete. Less clutter, more structure. AI tools built to support your trading process. Available now in SageMaster.